A Michigan Moment Snapshot.
Michigan built this lighthouse because the first one failed. The original Presque Isle Light, completed in 1840, stood too short and too close to shore. Ships kept wrecking along this exposed stretch of Lake Huron, especially as traffic increased during the lumber boom. So in 1870, the Lighthouse Board started over. This new tower was built farther inland and much taller, rising over 110 feet, one of the highest lights on the Great Lakes. Height mattered more than location. Seeing the light sooner meant time to adjust course. Designed by U.S. Army Corps engineer Orlando Poe, the tower used a third-order Fresnel lens, throwing a powerful fixed beam far out over open water and offshore reefs. Keepers lived on site year-round, maintaining the lamp through fog, storms, and brutal winters. Lumber schooners and steam freighters moving past Alpena depended on this light to avoid grounding. This lighthouse wasn't built to look impressive. It was built to correct a mistake. And along a coast known for wrecks, that correction saved ships, cargo, and lives.